Morning everyone, welcome to Code Maths. Today we are going to learn the metric system and its conversions. Metric means measurements. In our day-to-day life, we come across different type of measurements like measurement of length, weight, capacity, etc. And their base units are measurement of length. Length is measured, base unit is meter, weight in gram and capacity in liter. There are still smaller units and bigger units. Let us see how can we convert from a bigger unit to a smaller unit. Here the bigger units are kilo. Kilo means it is 1000. Then hecto. Hecto is 100. And deca, it is 10. Deci means 1 by 10. Centi is 1 by 100. And milli is 1 by 1000. First, let us learn this conversion. We can convert from one unit to another using the small code KHDU DC me. K means it is kilo, H is for hecto, D for deca, and U is the unit. Which unit? Like length in meter, weight in gram, and capacity in liter. We can use any of these three units over the unit. That is, different units we can use. This is deci, centi, and milli. Mi for milli. KHDU DC me. Instead of U, let us write the measurement of length, that is meter. KHDM DC me. Using this code, we can convert any unit into smaller units or smaller unit into larger units. Using this, KHDM DC me, multiply by 10 to the right and divide by 10 to the left. Enough. That is the code. KHDM DC me, multiply by 10 to the right and divide by 10 to the left. When you are moving from a higher unit to a smaller unit, just multiply by 10. And if you want to convert a smaller unit into a bigger unit, you can divide it by 10. Let us see how much is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is how many meters? I wanted to convert kilometer into meter. 1 kilometer is how many meters? 1 kilometer is dash meter. I want to go from kilometer to meter. See, now this code we will use. Just write 1 over there, and when you are multiply by 10, when you are moving from one digit or one number to the next, then one letter to the next, put a 0 over there. Then you want to reach here in meter. So one more jump, it is one more 0. In the next jump, it is 1000. That is 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. And what about 1 meter? We want to convert meter into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. Write 1 over there. You want to go from meter to centimeter. Meter to decimeter, you have to put a 0. Then deci to centi, again one more 0. That is 1 meter is 100 centimeter. In the same way, if you want to convert a smaller unit into a higher unit, again we can do the same thing, but remember to divide it by 10. See this. 1 centimeter is how many kilometer? We want to convert centimeter into kilometer. So, you have to divide it by 10. That is 1 by 1 you put, and from centimeter to kilometer you have to reach. So when you are moving to this number, put a 0. Again to the next letter, again one more 0. To the next letter, 0. Again one more letter, 0. And the last is to kilometer. See, it is this much. That is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 1 lakh of a kilometer. So to convert from smaller unit to bigger units, we have to divide it by 10. One more example we will see. We want to convert centimeter to meter. 1 centimeter is equal to dash meter. You write 1 by, put 1. Then centimeter to meter you have to reach. When you are moving to this step, or you can come like this even. Send 1 0. Again from deci to meter, one more 0. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 of a meter. You can convert this unit. This is the unit. If you want to convert liter, if it is measurement of capacity, we measure using the unit liter. So let us see how much is 1 kiloliter. Here you have to read kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. If it is weight, it is kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. So we want to see 1 kilogram is how many grams. From kilogram, here we are changing it as G. Gram we are using. So we want to reach from K to G. Take 1, write 1 over here. When we move to K, put 1 0. Again to the next D, 1 more 0. Again to this, 1 more 0. So 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. If you want to convert centigram into a hectogram or decigram, what you have to do? Divide by 10. So, which is the code today? KHDU. Here you are using any of these units. KHDU, DC me, multiply by 10 to the right and divide by 10 to the left. Again, there are still smaller units like after this milli, there are smaller units like micro, nano, pico. Smaller units, and beyond this, before this kilogram, still higher units are there. They are mega, giga and tera. How can we express this? Using the basic 10 units. That is mega, giga, tera, 10 to the power 6, 9, 12. Mega, giga, tera, 10 to the power 6, 9, 12. Micro, nano, pico, 10 to the power of minus 6, minus of 6, 9, 12. That means, tera means, here, go from mega. Mega is 10 raised to 10 to the power 6, 9, 12. 10 raised to 6. And giga, it is 10 raised to 9. And what about tera? Tera is 10 raised to 12. If it is, so again, mega, giga, tera, 10 to the power 6, 9, 12. And micro, nano, pico, 10 to the power of minus 6, 9, 12. Micro means 10 raised to minus 6. Put minus to all these things. Then nano. Nano is 10 raised to minus 9. And pico. It is what? 10 raised to minus 12 respectively. So you can, for this mega, bigger units, you can use mega, giga, tera, 10 to the power 6, 9, 12. Micro, nano, pico, 10 to the power of minus of 6, 9, 12. Or like this, mega 10 raised to 6, giga 10 raised to 9, tera 10 raised to 12, micro 10 raised to minus 6. Just put minus sign to these powers. And nano is 10 raised to minus 9 and pico is 10 raised to minus 12. So once again, mega, giga, tera, 10 to the power of 6, 9, 12, micro, nano, pico, 10 to the power of minus of 6, 9, 10 respectively. That's all. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this, please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then,